Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with meteorologist Cameron Landfield.
Good morning, everybody. I hope you're ready for more rainfall because even though it looks like it's calm right now, that's not going to last. We're actually just sitting right on the edge of the impact of a really strong storm system. It's developing super rapidly and it sticks around for a couple days too. So take a look at it right behind me. Let's see if you can work out some of the details on your own here. This is the satellite imagery, and of course, it's the moisture profile as well. So yellow dry, white is wet, blue is neutral. And what's that mean? Well, lots of white coming into the area. There's an atmospheric river stretching across, and it should be impacting us in conjunction with this storm system. So a lot of moisture is going to be embedded in the air. But really, the real strong condition for today is going to be those winds. I'll show you those off in just a moment here, but this is clearly a really good structure we've got developing here. You can see some of the rotation out over the water, and it's just getting deeper and deeper, which means that that low pressure is getting lower and lower, and with that, the system is strengthening, and I'll say rapidly again. Stormcast here is going to show you a pretty calm morning, except for the southern coast and the northern coast, with just a little bit of showers until we get into the really prominent hours, and that's going to be about noon to 1 o'clock when we first take the impact of that front from the storm system. You can see at 11:30 here just starting to stretch in, but then as we get to 12:30, it's now widespread rainfall everywhere, and look at how strong some of this rain gets as we move into the evening. This is of course later into the evening, 6 o'clock. This band of rain is very aggressive, and that is going to work its way inland, so get ready for some absolute downpours coming up tonight, close to about 10:30 or so over the valley. And all of that's going to be sideways too, because the winds, they're not dying down for the entire day once that system comes through. Rainfall totals for today are not actually that high because it moves quickly, but it is going to be a downpour once that big red band comes through. Now, like I said, in addition to the rain, the really strong thing for today is the wind. Watch this. So we're looking at 6 a.m. right now. Now we're going to push forward just a couple hours into 10 a.m. You can see it is starting to accelerate out on the coast, but watch this. It absolutely explodes as we get into 1 o'clock, and then those wind speeds just continue to get higher and higher. We're looking at 6 o'clock right now, and there is at least 30 to 40 mile an hour gusts all the way, the entire way down the I-5 corridor and out onto the coast. We're even getting gusts above 50 miles an hour. So it's intense into the evening. 7-day forecast just shows you 7 days straight of rainfall. We do warm slightly into Thursday everywhere. Umpqua Basin, going to give you almost exactly the same data there, 50 degrees for today. Cascade Passes have not as much snowfall today until we get into the evening and some of that moisture makes it through. Then it gets very heavy for tomorrow. Finally, Willamette Valley, 50 today, 50 the next 3 days, in fact. Starting to warm up finally Friday there at 55 degrees, but we don't get skipped by rain any day.